Hey, it's Susanna and Chris from Hinton the Trail.
Hey, so we were, well, you're probably expecting season 3, the premiere.
That's not happening today.
That's not happening.
We have news.
Yep. So if you have been following my trip, the Harvest House Across America, on the last episode, I had an incident where
There may have been a trailer and a gas pump barrier coming in contact with each other and ripping the back end off the trailer.
I tried to rip Casper's butt off. And when we took it in a dealership, which we were very lucky to even find somebody to work on it, they said initially, hey, it's going to be at least 4 to 6 weeks. It's been how many weeks now?
It's already been 4 weeks.
Yeah, and we just found out yesterday the bad news. It's going to be 10 to 12 more weeks. And so that's kind of life-altering for us. I mean, COVID already kind of screwed things up, and now we're like, where do we go? What are we doing? So we decided we're just going to give you an update here and tell you what our plans are for the next 10 to 12 weeks. So what are we doing?
So we were very lucky in the fact that our insurance company said, hey, we can give you some money to help compensate some of your expenses, and they're going to pay for a condo for us up in western Maine by the ski resort. So we're going to stay in a condo for 6 weeks.
Yeah, just putting this out there, it's like a 74% discounted condo.
Yeah, because they're trying to get people to rent, and they're trying to get people to stay there, and there's nobody coming up there to visit. So, but this is in the middle of Sunday River, which is a big, beautiful 7-peak mountain ski resort.
Yeah.
And they have all kinds of hiking and biking and lots of swimming areas, and so it'll be nice to be able to get out and do some of what we're used to doing that we haven't been able to do really.
And again, so if you've been following us, so our 10 COVID question challenge video, if you watch that, you'll know we've been in Maine since March 17th, living in her parents' basement. They've been fantastic, letting us stay there.
And while there is stuff to do in Maine, it's just because of the weather initially, and now it's like really hot. It hasn't been what we've been used to, accompanied to. What the heck word am I looking for?
I think we got so used to just being able to travel and do whatever we wanted, and then to get stuck like everybody else was. And then when we thought, hey, look, come July, we'll have Casper, we'll have Max, and we'll be able to at least travel around Maine a little bit, and then again, ripping Casper's butt off kind of messed that up. So we kind of felt like we're going to be stuck again. So at least we have something going on. And we'll do some video stuff from there. But luckily, we were so far behind in making videos that we still actually have about 3 months worth of content to put out. So season 3 is heading west, and that's from us leaving San Antonio and heading to California, and then up through the Oregon coast. A lot of really cool footage and stuff coming your way. We just want to let you know that our life currently is not traveling through those areas, but instead we're in Maine and going to be there for a while.
And we will have some Maine videos because we have gone to see some things and done some exploring, and we're going to do some more apparently in a couple weeks.
We're going to have a lot of information about Maine. So again, just a short video to let you know where we're at, and thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, hit that little subscribe button down there and hit that notification bell.
So you can be updated when our new videos and vlogs come out.
And hopefully, if things get caught up, next Thursday, July 30th, the new Season 3 will be out. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.